Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Jeera rice is a simple yet incredibly flavorful side dish, beloved for its aromatic cumin infusion. Today, you will learn how to prepare this delicious, fluffy rice right in your own kitchen pot. It is surprisingly easy to master and pairs wonderfully with almost any Indian curry or dal. Get ready to elevate your meal with this fragrant, comforting classic. Crafting delicious jeera rice begins with just a handful of simple ingredients found in most pantries. You will need premium basmati rice, clear water, and a good quality ghee or cooking oil. Fresh whole cumin seeds are absolutely vital for that signature aroma and flavor. A pinch of salt and some fresh coriander for garnish complete your ingredient list. The secret to truly aromatic jeera rice lies in properly toasting your cumin seeds. Start by melting 1 tablespoon of ghee or heating oil in your pot over a gentle medium flame. Once it is shimmering, add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Let them sizzle for just about 30 seconds, watching carefully until they release their incredible, warm fragrance. Now, it is time to bring everything together for that perfect, fluffy texture. Add your thoroughly washed basmati rice to the pot with the toasted cumin, along with 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything gently, then bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for precisely 10 minutes. The final step, often overlooked, is vital for achieving that desirable light and fluffy texture. Once the 10 minutes of simmering are up, turn off the heat completely. Keep the pot covered and let the rice rest undisturbed for another 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute. Finally, gently fluff your perfect jeera rice with a fork, garnish with fresh coriander, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.